catch up with a bit of the mishmash. The Gisele Mishmash!
Hi, it's me, Gisele. Welcome to the Gisele Mishmash. I've just used a piece of paper and some crayons to make a wish board. You see, here's my wish board. These are my wishes for the week. I wish for lots of warm weather, to do lots of reading, to listen to music, and to eat a fruit salad. Yum! And my most favorite, biggest wish of all is to hang out with you. Oh, would you look at that? My wish is already starting to come true. All right, please stick around and we'll have a mishmash of fun. Walking, walking, walking. I love going for walks. Walking, walking, walking. A book box. I love books. A book. Do you know this letter? It's the letter J. J. The letter J says J. 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 Jungle Gym. Jungle Gym begins with J. Jungle Gym begins with J. 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 Jet. Jet begins with J. Jet begins with J. 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 Jump rope. Jump rope begins with J. Jump rope begins with J. Ooh. What letter J words can you find around you? I realize I have a lot of laundry to wash. I like to sort it by color. Will you help to sort my laundry by color with me? All right. So, what color is my sweater? It's red. Okay, I'll make a pile of red laundry right here. Oh, and what color is my shirt? It's blue, right? Blue will go there. And this, what color is this shirt? Green. Okay, I'll put green here. Oh, and what color is this scarf? Well, it's a light green, so I'll add it to the green pile. What color is this? Dark blue. Well, blue goes with blue. There. And this, what color is this shirt? Blue as well, in the blue pile. What color is this nice bright color? Yellow. Okay, I'll make a yellow pile there. And this? Which pile does this shirt go in? The red pile. All right, there's red. And this, what color is this? A dark green. Oh, there's my green pile. Red. Red pile. Blue. Okay. Oh, there's a lot of laundry. How about this one? Blue again. I have a lot of blue pieces of clothing. What color is this one? Yes, orange. We don't have any orange yet. Put my orange shirt there. And this is red. Great. My bathrobe. What color is my bathrobe? It's light green. Where's the green pile? Here it is. Okay, and this is a light blue. More blue. And finally, this dress. What color is this? Green. That's a pretty green. All right. Well, guess I better grab all of my laundry to throw it in the washing machine. Oops. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's a lot of laundry. All right, I'll keep working on this while you have some fun counting with Dizzy G.
The Gisele Mishmash.
A package for me, Dizzy G. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 caps to wear, but which one to choose? 11 caps to wear with my styling shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 caps is what I said. 11 caps I wish to wear on my head. There is a masterpiece on my mantelpiece. This masterpiece is made by Claire, who's 9 years old from Mississauga, Canada. Thank you, Claire. I love this. Claire calls this masterpiece cheerleading stunting. Oh yeah, cheerleading stunting indeed. Take a close look. There are 2 strong cheerleaders on the bottom, and they're holding in their arms another strong cheerleader who's saying, yeah! Well, thank you so much, Claire, for your masterpiece. And I hope that I will receive more masterpieces, pieces of art, beautiful pieces of art like this at giselemishmash.com. You can ask a grown-up to help you. You just take one of your masterpieces, take a picture of it, and then you can email it to the contact page at giselemishmash.com. So I hope you can do so because I love to receive masterpieces and display it here on my mantelpiece. All right, I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in another video next week. Bye-bye.